everyone, and welcome back to Miss English Podcast, the place where learning English is easy, fun, and full of smiles. I'm Chloe.
Hello, Chloe, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It's so great to be back with you today for another exciting English conversation.
It really is. So, Ethan, how are you feeling today?
I'm doing very well, thank you. Actually, I feel full of energy today, more than usual.
Oh, that's awesome. What's the secret behind your energy today?
Maybe it's the sunshine. The sun is bright, the sky is blue, and I had a delicious breakfast this morning. How about you, Chloe? How are you feeling today?
I'm doing great, thank you. I feel happy, calm, and yes, a little energetic too.
Oh, really? What made you feel that way this morning?
Well, this morning I went for a long walk in the park before work.
Ah, a walk in the park. That sounds like the perfect way to begin your day.
It was. The air was fresh, the trees were green, and there were so many people enjoying the morning.
Yes, parks are always busy and full of life early in the morning.
That's right. And actually, that's what I'd like to talk about today.
Oh, your walk in the park?
Not exactly the walk itself, but what I saw in the park.
Okay, I'm curious now. What did you see?
I saw people doing all kinds of different activities, and it gave me an idea for today's topic.
A new topic. That sounds exciting. What are we talking about today?
But wait, before we start,
But wait, before we start,
that's right. If you enjoy our podcast, please take just a moment to subscribe to Ms. English Podcast. And don't forget to give this episode a big thumbs up. It really helps our podcast reach more English learners.
and if you have a friend or classmate who is learning English, please share this episode with them.
Thank you so much for your support. It truly means the world to us.
Yes, thank you everyone. Okay, Ethan, now we can begin.
I'm ready. So, the park, what did you see?
I saw people playing sports.
Ah, sports. Of course. That's a wonderful topic.
Yes, today we're going to talk about sports.
Fantastic. I love sports.
Me too. Well, at least some sports.
Yes, me too. Only some. So, where should we start?
Let's start with a question. Ethan, do you play any sports yourself?
Do I play? Let me think. Yes, I do.
Oh, great. Which sport do you play?
I play tennis.
Wow, tennis. I always think tennis looks quite difficult.
It can be a little tricky, but it's so much fun once you get the hang of it. I love, except you get the hang of me. You love, except.
I believe that. Do you usually play alone or with someone?
I play with my friend Daniel. We meet every Saturday morning.
That sounds like a lovely weekend routine. You need a racket and a ball, right?
Exactly, a racket, a small yellow ball, and lots of running. Left, right, fast, faster. It's great exercise.
I love watching tennis on TV. It's so fast and exciting.
Yes, whack, whack. That's the sound of the ball hitting back and forth.
That's perfect. Do you play any other sports, Ethan?
I also like to go swimming.
Swimming. That's one of my favorites too.
Really? Do you swim often?
Yes, I go to the pool during summer. The cool water feels wonderful on a hot day.
I agree. Swimming is relaxing and peaceful, not fast like tennis.
Yes, it's slow and quiet. That's what I love about it.
It's also great for your whole body.
Definitely. So you play tennis and swim. What about football?
Ah, football. Or as people in America say, soccer. The world's most popular sport. Do I play it? No, I don't.
Me neither. I'm terrible at football.
Same here. I try to kick the ball and it goes completely the wrong way.
That's me too. But I do enjoy watching football on TV.
Oh yes, watching football is so exciting.
Which team do you like, Ethan?
I like the team that wears blue.
And I like the team that wears red.
Blue versus red, the big rivalry.
When I watch, I shout, "Go! Go! Go!"
Me too. It's so fun to watch with friends. Football, pizza, snacks, the perfect weekend.
Absolutely. Do you play any other sports, Ethan?
Not really, but I sometimes go running.
Oh, running. Like my walk in the park.
Yes, sometimes I jog slowly, sometimes I run faster.
What's jogging?
Jogging is like slow running, easy and comfortable.
I like that. I'm not a fast runner either. I go slow and listen to music or a podcast.
Running with music, that's a great idea. It keeps you motivated.
It makes me feel healthy and happy too.
Health is very important. That's a wonderful habit.
Thank you. You only need good shoes, and you can start anywhere.
True, simple, and free. What about basketball?
Basketball is so fast.
Yes, and the players are incredibly tall.
They jump so high. I love watching basketball games.
Same here. Do you play basketball, Chloe?
Ethan, look at me. I'm not tall at all.
We neither. We'd be the short team.
The short team can still watch and cheer.
Yes, watching is safer for us.
What about biking or cycling?
Oh, yes. Do you have a bicycle, Chloe?
I do, a blue one. It's old but still works perfectly.
Nice. Mine is green. I love riding around the park or along quiet streets. Hi. Sunday mornings. Oh, I love the baby. Oh,
That sounds peaceful. I sometimes ride my bike to the shop to buy bread.
that's a cute image. You, the bicycle, and a basket of bread.
It's true.
Biking is great exercise and you see so much around you. Exactly. And it's good for the planet, too.
Good point. Now, what about winter sports when it's cold outside?
Winter sports, like skiing, sliding down snowy mountains.
Beautiful but scary. Have you ever tried skiing?
No, never. I think I'd be too scared. It looks too fast.
Me too, and too cold. I'd rather watch skiing on TV with hot chocolate in my hand.
That's the best way to ski, from the sofa.
What about ice skating?
Oh, that's beautiful. It looks like dancing on ice.
Very graceful, but also difficult. I'd fall every few seconds.
Me too. We'd be the falling teen.
Yes, the famous falling team of Miss English podcast.
What about volleyball?
I played volleyball once, at the beach.
Ah, beach volleyball. That's so fun.
Yes, the sand is soft, so falling doesn't hurt. You jump, hit, and laugh with friends.
Sports with friends are the best kind.
Yes, because you share teamwork, laughter, and encouragement.
Some sports are solo, like swimming or jogging, but team sports bring people together.
Totally agree. Oh, what about sports we don't understand?
Like golf?
Yes, it's so quiet. Hit the ball, walk, hit again, walk again.
So true. Golf is very slow for me.
I prefer fast and energetic sports.
Same here, but many people love golf for its calm atmosphere.
That's true. What about American football?
Ah, yes. So different from our football. The players are huge.
Very strong, very powerful. But the rules, wow, so many.
I never understand them all, but it looks exciting.
Definitely. So, Chloe, what do you think is the easiest sport for a beginner?
Maybe walking?
Walking. Is that a sport?
Of course. It's good for your health, easy, and everyone can do it.
Then, walking wins, and jogging too.
Yes, and swimming slowly or even just floating.
Floating. Now that's my favorite sport.
Oh, Ethan!
What about sports you can do at home?
Oh, yes, like yoga.
My sister does yoga every morning. Is yoga a sport?
I think so. It's physical, and you need balance and strength.
Balance is so hard. Standing on one foot is a challenge for me.
Me too. I always wobble and fall.
Yoga is quiet and peaceful, good for body and mind.
That's what my sister says. Maybe we should try yoga one day.
Yes, the falling team tries yoga. Poor yoga teacher.
So today we talked about so many sports.
We did. tennis, swimming, football, running, bikering, basketball, skiing, skating, volleyball, yoga, and even golf.
That was fun. I learned a lot about your sports, Ethan.
And I learned about yours, Chloe. Sports really do make life better.
They make us feel strong, healthy, and happy.
And they're a great topic for learning English.
Yes, today we practiced many useful words: play, go, watch, team, player, bracket, ball, run, swim, fast, slow, easy, hard.
Wow, so many everyday English words in just one topic.
Exactly. But oh no, look at the time.
Oh wow, our episode is almost finished. Time really flies when we're having fun.
It sure does. We hope everyone listening enjoyed today's conversation.
And we hope you learned some new English words and phrases to talk about sports.
Before you go, please don't forget to subscribe to Miss English Podcast and give this episode a big thumbs up.
And please share it with your friends who are learning English. It helps our community grow. Please leave and comment on this.
We also have a question for you.
Yes! Tell us in the comments below. What's your favorite sport?
Do you like to play sports or watch them on TV? We'd love to read your answers in English.
We read every single comment. It's our favorite part of the week.
Thank you all so much for listening.
Yes, thank you, everyone. It was wonderful talking to you.
See you next time on Ms. English Podcast.
Bye, Chloe.
Bye, Ethan. Bye, everyone.